Today I'm going to show you how to replace the seals on the injector. So this is Audi A8 injector, and the job that I'm going to show you today, guys, can be applied to the pretty much all European cars, BMW, Volkswagen, and so on. So for this job, you guys gonna need injector. You're gonna need the set of seals for this current injector. You're gonna need the screwdriver, you're gonna need a knife, and you're gonna need the injector tool. First, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut the seal, Teflon seal of the injector. I'm gonna try to zoom in and show you. So I'm gonna do this carefully without scratching the metal part. Now I'm gonna remove this O-ring. All right. Now I'm gonna get the new one. Okay, so, all right. So now if I'm gonna try to feed this Teflon ring over the injector, it's not gonna go because it's too small. So for this job, I'm gonna use the expansion tool. So I'm gonna feed this over this expansion tool, and I'm gonna use this. This is 3 different sizes, so bigger, medium, and smaller. So I'm gonna use the smaller to drive this seal on the expansion tool, just like that. Then I'm gonna finish, and I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna stop at this point. So you guys wanna this O-ring sit right here, and then the rest, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna finish driving with the injector, and I'm gonna drive this O-ring on the injector, just like that. All right. So as you guys see now, this O-ring too big on the injector, and I need to compress this O-ring. And in order to do that, I'm gonna start it up with a bigger size. I'm just gonna feed over, just like that. Then I'm gonna take the medium size, repeat the process. And now I'm gonna do the smaller size. That's it. So this Teflon ring installed on the injector. All right, all ready to go. And now I'm just gonna take this side off. And put the new seals on this side too. Okay. All done. This is how you install the seals on the injector.